Hello everyone and welcome to the exposed cancer cell that is my channel. So, before we get into this video, picture this. You're in, I just want you to imagine this. Close your eyes. You're in your fucking bed. You're asleep. And everything is calm. It's the middle of the night. You were just going to sleep on a Saturday night because you were tired and you've been working on future videos. So you're exhausted. So, all of a sudden, you're sleeping, all of a sudden, all fucking world is just ending because you hear a fucking fire alarm. It's like, so, naturally, you panic. In fact, you almost fucking piss your damn pants, and to the point where you forget to put your pants on the right way. So you're walking around with your pants on backwards because you were fucking sleepy and discombobulated. So while all this shit is happening, it was a false alarm because, and I quote, somebody was smoking weed in the hotel, and that triggered the fucking alarm. Now, the fuck? I'm just saying, if I had done something like that, I would have been so fucking guilty. But people have lives. I mean, I don't really have a life. I'm just tired. But still, to just do something like this, it's fucking stupid and just an asshole thing to do. Now, I've actually gotten through the part that I wanted to say in the video, so I'm just going to tell you what's going through my mind in this game. This is Shadow Warrior, I believe. And so I'm fighting an invisible fucker right here. So if you guys want to know how to fight him, don't try and listen to where he is. Just slash everywhere until you hit something squishy. Then he's dead. He's basically down. And I basically beat his damn ass until this part where he gets the best of me. Once you get your opponent off their footing in this game, it's basically curtains. Just keep hitting them until they hit the ground and then hit them more. And then you suplex them to get them onto the ground. And then you possibly use your special. See, this is where I almost died. In fact, I did. See, I'm so fucking tired that I can't fucking remember what the fuck I've done. I'm probably not even gonna fucking remember this video. But, yeah. So this guy, this is a hard mission, by the way. Basically get the first strike, knock him down get that 4 combo. You gotta fucking, don't forget to fucking, kick him in the fucking chin balls. Yep, oh, he kicked me, he double kicked me. Yeah, he's just beating the shit out of me. I just imagine he doesn't even have a weapon right now. And now he's dead. And by the way, that, the ninja stars up there, basically is just shit that I can throw at people. I didn't know that until later on. I'm kind of rusty to this game. I used to play this game so fucking much. I don't even think anybody who plays the game remembers my character, the fear that was me. Now this is another match with somebody, and watch. When you dual wield weapons, you can just beat the shit out of anybody. Dual wielding sometimes beats regular sword, and spear beats dual wielder because you gotta get up close. So you need a length in order to beat somebody in the tank. Don't forget that. And this dude's just giving me the business until I give him the business. I don't know if I cut him in the ass or if I cut him on the Achilles tendon, but he is not having a good time. Nor should he be. Anyway, this is one hell of a fight over here. See, once you get somebody off their footing, like I previously stated, they're almost a goner. Except when they're cornered and they're me, because I can make the best out of this type of situation. Yeah, he keeps trying to kick me, but that ain't gonna help when you got no head. Oh, he kicked me in the ass. And down he goes. Wish you could, sometimes you could just take people's weapons and then sell them. Just fucking steal their fucking shit. Anyway, the next fight, I guess that was the last fight. So guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out, goodbye, and let me know if you want to hear more from me. I know it's been a while. Bye-bye.